Seeing is believing, so the saying goes. And when it comes to teaching, seeing is also learning. When teaching a lesson about an abstract concept or complex process, we can make the concepts and processes more tangible and relatable to students through the use of visualizations and concrete examples. These are things like diagrams, concept maps, sketches, manipulatives, videos, and completed examples of assignments or problems. This strategy is most helpful during the early phases of learning to help students focus on their new learning and strengthen their conceptual understanding by simultaneously engaging the visual and verbal regions of their brains. Research shows, in fact, that dual coding, or receiving visual images paired with verbal guidance, helps our brains to process information more efficiently and effectively, which in turn supports greater comprehension of new learning. Here are a few key ideas for using visualization and concrete examples in the classroom. First, review your unit or lesson plan to consider exactly what you want students to see and be able to visualize as they learn. Make a list of diagrams, charts, timelines, or physical models you can use in the classroom to help students grasp the main ideas and key concepts. Try to provide at least 3 concrete examples of each abstract idea that students are learning. Over time, you can translate the visual or concrete example into something a bit more abstract, a process called concreteness fading. For example, to introduce students to the concept of fractions, you might fold the sheet of paper into fourths. Afterward, you might show them a picture of a sheet of paper divided into quarters, before ultimately transitioning to the abstract representation of 1/4. You can also ask students to identify or create their own examples or models. This can deepen their learning so long as they don't get so focused on the craft and artistry of their model that they lose sight of the primary concepts and purpose of what they're learning. By using visualizations and concrete examples, we tap a core principle from the science of learning, namely that all students are visual learners who benefit from seeing abstract concepts and processes depicted visually and in concrete ways.